Hello dear students, welcome back to my channel means The Educator. So today we are going to start our General English Speaking Part 7 in which we are going to discuss the same topic that we will discuss about Abhivadan means greetings related sentences in our English language, that how do we speak these sentences according to the time of the day, either with our friends, relatives or neighbors, etc. So let's see. So students, let's start our English speaking part 7, that we are going to discuss about the same topic that we will discuss about Abhivadan means greetings related sentences in our English language. So let's start. General English speaking part 7, Abhivadan means greetings. As I told you earlier, that how we greet to our seniors, elders or our relatives according to the time of the day. So I'm going to discuss some sentences. Please try to understand them or try to practice them in your spare time. किसी भी समय इनफॉर्मल ग्रीटिंग्स मीन्स एट एनी टाइम ऑफ द डे, दिन के किसी भी समय में एज ए इनफॉर्मल ग्रीटिंग्स मतलब एक अभिवादन होना अपने मित्रों व बराबरी के लोगों के साथ मीन्स योर फ्रेंड्स and the persons who are just equal to your level. So how we have to greet them, उनको हमें उनका अभिवादन कैसे करना होगा. Let's see. Hi Anjali. So in English it means hi Anjali. Hi Ajay means hi Ajay. Hello uncle means hello uncle. Uncle is older than us, so we will normally say, we will denote them as hello. Hello uncle means hello uncle. Hello Nishi means hello Nishi. Hello Kush means hello Kush. So in this sentences you can see I had already told you that अपने मित्रों व बराबरी के लोगों के साथ means those friends who are our close friends and the persons who are very much equal to our level and our seniors or elders etc. How we have to greet them, हमें उन्हें कैसे उनका अभिवादन करना है. So Anjali is basically a close friend which is normally our colleague to us or is of same age. So we can normally say hi Anjali means hi Anjali. Ajay is also our same age group, so we can say hi Ajay or hi Ajay. Hello uncle. Uncle is older than us, so we can't say him hi uncle. So we can say him hello uncle means hello uncle. Hello Nishi. Nishi is also our friend or same age group, so we can denote her as hello Nishi. Hello Nishi. Hello Kush. Kush is also of our same age group, our friend. So we can denote him as hello Kush means hello Kush. So the name of the persons, they are basically known as nouns. So I will discuss about nouns in later classes. The names which are discussed here are considered as nouns. So they are all our same age group. So we can denote them as hi and hello, especially to our elders. Now hello Mrs. Kapoor. So in English it means hello Mrs. Kapoor. So Mrs. Kapoor is a married woman and she is older than us, so we can denote her as hello Mrs. Kapoor. So hello Mrs. Kapoor. Now अब we will discuss about विदाई के समय, at the time of departure. ठीक है, विदाई के समय means at the time of departure. It now normally happens friends when we go out to our family members at their home etc. We have to leave their home at one day or some day. So what happens when we leave their home? So they gets very emotionally touched to us because they at the time of departure they normally say अच्छा चलते हैं बच्चों means goodbye children. So विदाई के समय at the time of departure we can say अच्छा चलते हैं बच्चों means goodbye children. So we normally say when we try to leave home of another person, when we get intermixed with them for a long time, when we try to leave their place, so we normally say अच्छा चलते हैं बच्चों means goodbye children, we will meet again. Okay, अच्छा means bye bye. So it normally happens when we try to leave to that place, so we normally say अच्छा bye bye, हम फिर मिलेंगे means अच्छा means bye bye, we will meet again, हम फिर से दोबारा मिलेंगे. चलते हैं प्रिय. So in English it means farewell dear. So चलते हैं प्रिय means if someone is very close to us, if she is your relative's sister, your wife, your mother etc. or anything etc. So we normally say चलते हैं प्रिय. मीन्स फेयरवेल डियर। तो अब हम जा रहे हैं, सो वी विल ट्राई टू मीट नेक्स्ट टाइम एंड वी विल सी यू आफ्टर अनदर वी विल सी यू आफ्टर सम मोर टाइम। करंटली वी आर लिविंग फ्रॉम दिस प्लेस, सो वी नॉर्मली से चलते हैं प्रिय मीन्स फेयरवेल डियर। अच्छा फिर मिलेंगे मीन्स बाय सी यू और सो लॉन्ग। So it normally happens, friends, when we if someone comes to visit us and if he is after some time he leaves our home, so we normally greet him or leave him outside our home premises. So we normally say अच्छा फिर मिलेंगे means bye, see you so long. तो we हम उससे यही कहते हैं, we try to convey him कि please keep in touch with us, we will meet again and again, so don't feel that you have gone permanently from this place, we will be in touch etc. and please try to visit our home or drop in at our home, we will meet frequently. So in this sentence also अच्छा फिर मिलेंगे means bye, see you or so long. Grandfather, grandpa, we denote them as दादाजी, means दादाजी को हम grandpa कहते हैं या grandfather कहते हैं in English. Similarly दादी जी को हम grandma या grandmother कहते हैं। जो हमारी दादी जी होती हैं तो उनको हम या तो ग्रैंडमा कहते हैं या ग्रैंड मदर कहते हैं। सो फ्रेंड्स, दिस वाज द जनरल इंग्लिश स्पीकिंग पार्ट 7 in which I tried to convey you about abhivadan means greetings related sentences in our English language, that as I already told you that how do we greet to our friends, our seniors, our parents, relatives etc. according to the time of the day, either morning, afternoon, evening or night. So I hope that you would have find it easier to understand these sentences and kindly practice in your spare time. Try to talk in front of mirror or try to practice with your relatives, neighbors etc. and ultimately with the passage of time you will realize that your confidence is boosted up, your personality is groomed, and ultimately you have become a perfect and fluent English speaker in front of another person. So kindly like, share, subscribe my channel, please do follow me, and thanks for a valuable and precious time. Have a nice day.